To replace the armature on a 1450 or 10K puller, we first have to disassemble the old armature from the machine. To start, remove the cable clamp with a screwdriver. Remember to also remove the brush caps and brushes from the top and bottom of the end bell. Be sure to also use your screwdriver to loosen the strain relief enough so that the cable is freed. Next, remove the two 7/16" nuts so that the end bell can be detached. Be sure to remove the nylon spacers and field housing assembly from the threaded rods to reveal the armature. Finally, remove the armature from the machine. Before installing the replacement part, inspect the area around the armature installation point for any damage, rust, burnt areas, or wear. This includes the components as well. To install the replacement armature, start by adding the rubber spider back into the flex coupling. Insert the new armature into the machine. Be sure to check that it is able to spin freely. Reinstall the field housing assembly by carefully aligning the two long threaded rods with the motor in the field. Next, place the nylon spacers back into position and reinstall the end bell. Reinstall the two 7/16" nuts. Make sure to tighten with a ratchet wrench to secure the motor to the machine. Reattach the strain relief with a screwdriver and gently pull the cable to ensure proper alignment. Reinstall the brushes and caps on the top and bottom. Make sure the wiring does not make contact with the armature. To complete the reassembly process, reinstall the cable clamp. The armature has now been successfully replaced in your 1450 or 10K puller.